LCISD Science, Grade 7, Unit 9, Physical, Chemical, and Energy Changes in Digestion, 2016-2017. Number 1. Jane eats a slice of pizza for dinner. What represents a physical change in the pizza? A. Saliva changes the starch in the pizza crust to sugar. B. Teeth tearing off a piece of pizza, a bite of pizza. C. Chemicals in the stomach digesting proteins. D. Breaking down the fats in the pizza to bile. Number 2. Which step in the digestive process represents a chemical change in food? F. Storing of swallowed food in the stomach. G. Turning of food, liquids, and digestive juices in the stomach. H. Movement of food down the esophagus to the stomach. J. Substances in the mouth and stomach breaking down fats and proteins. 3. Which list includes only chemical changes that occur in the digestive process? A. Absorption of nutrients by villi in the small intestines. B. Chewing and swallowing food. C. Recycling of water from dissolved food back into the body. D. Reaction of saliva, stomach acid, bile, and pancreatic juices with food. Number 4. Which function is performed primarily by the digestive system? F. Exchange of gases between the blood and its environment. G. Removes waste from the body. H. Breakdown of large molecules into smaller ones. J. Transports nutrients to cells. 5. Carbohydrates are large, complex molecules that can be broken down into smaller molecules called A. Fats, B. Energy, C. Vitamins, D. Sugars. 6. Animals are consumers, meaning they need to eat food for energy because they cannot make their own. What energy transformation is taking place when an animal eats food so it can keep warm? F. Mechanical to thermal. G. Mechanical to radiant. H. Chemical to thermal. J. Radiant to chemical. 7. Scientists found 4 areas around a hydrothermal vent that they thought could support life. The scientists took samples of the elements in the area. You have the area, 1, 2, 3, 4, and list of elements in the area. Sulfur, hydrogen, plutonium, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, oxygen, helium, calcium, nitrogen, potassium, xenon. Based on the data table, which area would have the best chance at having organic compounds? You choose A, B, C, or D. Number 8. When a person eats too much food, they store the extra energy as fat. What type of energy conversion is going on in the body as energy from food is turned into fat? F. Mechanical to thermal. G. Chemical to chemical. H. Thermal to chemical. J. Thermal to radiant. Use the information below to answer the following 2 questions. Masses of 5 main elements in the human body: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, all others. Masses in the 5 elements in the earth: silicon, aluminum, iron, calcium, others, oxygen. Number 9. Which element is found in abundance in the human body but is not found in abundance in the earth? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon, C. Calcium, D. Silicon. 10. Which element is found in abundance both in the human body and in the earth? Use the information below to answer the following 2 questions: chemical change and physical change. 1. Chewing and mixing of food with saliva. 2. Movement of food through peristalsis. 3. Reaction of food with hydrochloric acid. 4. Reaction of food with bile. Number 11. Which belongs in the left-hand circle? 12. Which of the following digestive processes will be found in the middle of the Venn diagram? Number 13. Benedict solution is used to test for simple sugars. The clear blue solution was discovered by American chemist Stanley Rossiter Benedict. When Benedict solution is added to a liquid and heated, the blue solution will change to green, yellow, or brick red, depending on the amount of sugar and the length of time the solution was heated. If no sugar is present, the solution remains clear blue. What equipment is necessary when testing for the presence of sugar? Read carefully. A, thermometer, litmus paper, water, and a hot plate. B, beaker, tongs, hot plate, water. C, funnel, beaker, water. D, microscope, dropper, slide, heat shield. Magnesium, Mg, is a silvery white metal and is the 8th most abundant element in the Earth's crust. It is also the 4th most abundant mineral in the human body, essential for healthy nerve and bone functioning. Magnesium oxide, MgO, has many uses. It's used in medications for heartburn relief, in fireworks and fertilizer, and is added to concrete to absorb moisture. Hayden's teacher produced a small amount of magnesium oxide during a classroom demonstration by attaching a thin strip of magnesium ribbon to a ring stand and igniting the ribbon with a lighter. She didn't look at the intense bright light to avoid possible eye damage from the ultraviolet light. After several seconds, the magnesium strip burned through the entire length, leaving a powdery white substance behind. Number 14. The chemical change in this demonstration is most similar, that means most like, to F, freezing water on the surface of a pond during winter, G, sunlight fading colors on clothes, H, burning wood in a campfire, J, shattering a windshield during a hailstorm. 15. What laboratory equipment is essential for this demonstration? A, thermometer, B, A, stopwatch, B, thermometer, C, balance, D, safety goggles. 16. Which properties of magnesium make it desirable for use in fireworks? F, magnesium is flammable and produces an extremely bright light when ignited. G, magnesium absorbs moisture from the air as it burns, thus reducing the potential for fires. H, magnesium is slow burning and produces long-lasting flashes of light. J, magnesium powder that falls to the ground after fireworks displays is a beneficial plant fertilizer. 17. What provides the body with the energy it needs for growth, movement, response, and repair? A, fiber, B, vitamins, C, glucose, D, water. 18. You have the esophagus, the mouth, the stomach, and the small intestine. In the process of digestion, where do chemical changes begin? F, mouth, G, esophagus, H, stomach, J, small intestine. 19. Which of the following is not Number 19, which of the following is an example of a physical change but not a chemical change? A, hydrochloric acid in the stomach, grind the protein in the stomach. B, bile in the liver breaks down fat globules. C, salivary amylase breaks down the starch in the mouth. D, teeth breaks down food into small particles. And number 20, mechanical digestion begins with the F, food mixing with saliva, G, teeth breaking down food, H, absorption of nutrients in the large intestine, J, movement of food down the esophagus. 21. Based on its chemical formula, which of the following substances is an organic compound? A, urea, B, ammonium sulfide, C, silane, D, sodium chloride. Number 22. Many processes occur in the digestive system. Which process is best classified as a chemical change? That's a physical change. Which process is best classified as a physical change? F, saliva converting the starch molecules in crackers to simple sugars. A physical change again. That's what we're looking for. G, digestive enzymes breaking down proteins into smaller fragments. H, bacteria converting lactose into simple sugars in the intestine. J, teeth grinding an almond into smaller pieces in the mouth. Again, find the physical change. 23. Hay is made up of organic compounds. What are the main elements in many organic compounds? A, helium, carbon, sodium. B, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. C, sodium, hydrogen, nitrogen. D, radon, oxygen, helium.